Hi there, I'm Sarah, and today I'm sharing 20 must-know PC tips that will make your life so much easier. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, these tricks will help you use your computer like a total expert. Let's get started. Ever wanted to add emojis without searching for them? Just press Windows plus period on your keyboard and voila! Your computer's built-in emoji library will pop up instantly. Add some personality to your messages in a snap. Oops! Did you accidentally close a tab on Chrome? No worries. Just press Ctrl plus Shift plus T and the tab will magically reopen. Problem solved. Got too many windows cluttering your screen? Just grab the one you want to keep open, give it a little shake, and all the others will minimize. It's a quick way to focus on what's important. Want a cool way to shut down your PC? Right-click on your desktop, go to New, then Shortcut. Type in Slide to shut down, hit Next, and you're done. Now when you double-click it, you can slide down to power off your PC. Watching a video but want to multitask? In Chrome, type Chrome/flags in the address bar, search for Global Media Controls and make sure it's enabled. Now, you can control media playback from any tab at the top right. For your most used apps, create a custom keyboard shortcut. Right-click the app, go to Properties, and under Shortcut key, set any combination that's free. Now, launch the app with just a few keystrokes. Need to check your PC for viruses? Press Windows and R, type MRT, and hit OK. It'll run a quick scan to keep your PC safe. Perfect for when you're away from your desk for a bit. Need your task manager on top of other windows? Press Ctrl, Shift and Escape, click Options, and select Always on top. Now, Task Manager stays visible when you need it. Want a faster startup? In Task Manager, go to the Startup tab, sort by startup impact, and disable anything you don't need to launch at startup. This will give your PC a speed boost. Personalize Chrome with your favorite GIF. Download one you love, go to Customize Chrome in the bottom right corner of your Google homepage, and upload your GIF to set it as your background. Fun, right? Need to step away quickly? Press Windows plus L and your computer will lock instantly. It's the fastest way to secure your PC. If your graphics card is acting up, refresh it by pressing Windows plus Shift plus Ctrl plus B. You'll hear a beep and your screen will flash briefly, indicating a successful refresh. Quickly close any window by hitting Ctrl plus W. It's a faster alternative to clicking that tiny X in the corner. Want to change the size or color of your mouse cursor? Head to Settings, search for Mouse Pointer, and there you can adjust its appearance to suit your style. Make typing faster with text suggestions. Go to Settings, search for typing, and turn on text suggestions and autocorrect. Now your PC will suggest words and correct typos as you type. You can change any app's icon. Right-click the app, go to Properties, and under Change Icon, upload a custom icon in .cco format. Just search online for a converter to turn your image into an icon. Want a fast way to switch between open apps? Press Windows and Tab for a smooth overview of everything you have running. It's like Alt and Tab, but visually more intuitive. Need quick access to your files? Press Windows plus E and File Explorer will open right up. Did you know you can scroll down web pages just by hitting the spacebar? It's an easy way to move down without missing anything. Lastly, always use strong, unique passwords for your accounts. A password manager can help keep track of them for you. That's all for today. I hope these tips make your PC experience smoother and more fun. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tech tips. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day.